Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy A13, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go into the settings and then click on the sounds and vibration. Now just tap to the volume section, and to change your device ringtone volume you should swipe this dot to the left or to the right side with your finger. And also we got the second way how we can do that, but first be sure that this switcher is turned off. To use volume buttons to change the ringtone, not the medias. And now just by press your up or down volume button we can change also our device ringtone volume. And also we can do it by this third way, just by swipe this volume section or volume panel to the up or to the down. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.